Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through building your first sales funnel using Simvoly. And the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive in. First things first, sign into your Simvoly account using the link in the description. Now, let's select a template for our funnel design. Simvoly offers a range of amazing templates to choose from. For this example, let's pick one that suits our needs. Once we've selected our template, let's give it a name. And there you have it. Your first sales funnel is ready to be customized. To customize the design, simply click on the Funnel button on the side. Here, you'll see all the pages included in your funnel, such as the Product page, Checkout, and Thank You page. Let's start by customizing the Product page. With Simvoly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can easily adjust the layout, text, images, and more. For example, if we're selling a book, we can easily swap out the image and update the text to match our product. Simvoly allows you to fully customize every element of your page with just a few clicks. You can even add or remove sections to tailor the design to your liking. And don't forget about A/B testing. With Simvoly, you can easily create different versions of your pages to see which performs best, helping you optimize your funnel for maximum conversions. Once everything is set up, you can preview your funnel to see how it looks from a customer's perspective. With Simvoly's built-in analytics, you can track your sales and performance in real time, giving you valuable insights into your funnel's effectiveness. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful sales funnel created using Simvoly. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Simvoly is the perfect tool for anyone looking to sell online. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly for free.